Hey guys, today I have a quick review of this toy pouch from Honeyera. They did send this over for review, so let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and test it out with these little hanging clips here and see just how quickly we can get this thing installed. So it does come with a bag here, and it's got 4 hanging clips, perfect for the 4 grommets right here. And it's just as simple as sliding these through the holes right here. I'm gonna use 2 hands. Boom, like that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and install 2 for right now. Drop the other ones. And there we go. So now let's go ahead and open this door. Place these over the door itself, and that's what's gonna hold it. And we should be able to close the door without issue there. We can. And now we can store whatever we want in here. So let's say I don't have any toys on hand, but let's say you want to store some bags or anything in here. Very nice storage. So this would be perfect for toys, but you could also use this for anything else. I think I'm probably going to put this on the inside door of one of our closets so that we just have all that extra space that we wouldn't normally have. And it is a nice blue color. These nets are nice and big too, so you've got a lot of room to store things. I mean, you could store a whole basketball in there if you wanted to. A lot of options there, so check it out.